Someone parked in my reserved parking area. What should I do? I want to book the clubhouse for a birthday party. How can I pay my maintenance charges? What amenities are available in the society? You probably receive these types of questions every single day in your housing society. And not just these, residents also ask questions like how do I report a security concern? Can I request an additional parking space? And many more. Now imagine if every resident could get instant answers to these questions without calling the society office. So that's exactly what an AI assistant can do. It can answer resident queries 24/7, provide security specific information, guide residents through different processes, and reduce the workload on your management team. This is the power of AI assistant, and in this video I'll show you how housing societies can manage resident queries using AI by creating a smart AI assistant that can answer questions related to parking, visitor management, maintenance payment, and much more. We'll also train the AI assistant using your society own knowledge base so that it provides accurate and relevant answers instead of generic responses. And the best part, we are going to build this entire system without writing a single line of code using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Now, why Pabbly Chatflow? So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. By using this tool, you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant, chatbots, and even do WhatsApp broadcasting and many more. If you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then this is the tool that you really need. So without wasting any more time, let's see how you can create this type of WhatsApp AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple features. You need to come towards this AI assistant feature, and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button and give your AI assistant a descriptive name. After that, click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created one AI assistant before, so I'm directly going in this one. See, I have created this AI assistant specially for housing societies. After giving the name to your AI assistant, you will successfully come in this page. Here at first, you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. Here I have selected the instructions type as AI agent. As soon as you can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions for you. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. Now the next one is temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. I have entered the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I have selected as OpenAI, and next you need to select the AI model variant that I have selected as GPT-4o mini. You can find out multiple options. After that, the API key, it is very important. For getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you need to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button. So this is how easily you can generate an API key. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. So simply copy this API key from here and paste it in this field. Next, you have to click on this connect button. Moving forward is the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like, for example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will send send exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human input is required to restart the conversation. I'm not giving any stop keywords too. Now the next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. Last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your user for the better conversation. I have entered this fallback message, but you can customize it. Now the next one is the knowledge source. See, it is the most important and crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, I have designed a AI assistant specially for housing societies that can manage residents query. So for that I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your society, such as the maintenance support, parking support, security, facilities, billing, and many more. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform, by the help of which you can create a PDF or a text formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt and .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. I have already uploaded the same knowledge base file here. See, this is the same file. For uploading a new one, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload a file from your gallery. So that's all about knowledge source. Now the next one is assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the heading as Green Heights Society, and see, as soon as I make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. I have added the subheading also, and the initial messages: welcome to Green Heights Societies, needs help with maintenance, visitor approvals, parking, or facility booking. Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label, that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. After that, I have added the footer text, footer link, and the user first message as well. Now the last one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I am not changing, but you can customize it from here if you want to. See, it will change like this. That's it. You have successfully learned how you can create an AI assistant for your own business. After doing this setup, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle and click on the Save AI Assistant button. For setting up this AI Assistant for all of your contacts, go in this settings option and go in this inbox settings. And next, scroll down and you will see one option by the name of Enable Auto Replies. Make sure that to enable this toggle, select the contact list from here and select the AI Assistant from here as well. After that, click on this Save button. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go towards this contacts feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here, after selecting the AI assistant, you have to click on the Save button. Now the setup and the creation of your AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you are also a housing society owner, then this AI assistant can be extremely valuable for you. It can help reduce manual work, improve resident experience, and ensure that common queries can answers instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.